I just created this high quality presentation from a single conversation with an AI agent. This is a proper investment deck based on actual numbers, and I was able to create inside this tool. There was no copy pasting, no slide design, no research phase, no opening of 5 different AI tools, just one single conversation with this AI agent, and it created this high quality presentation for me. Let's be honest here, AI presentation tools have improved a lot. We have got Gamma, Manus, GenSpark, Canva AI, and they are all useful, but they all have same problem. They mostly focus on the last step, the presentation itself. Usually this is the workflow that you follow. You first go to ChatGPT, you research the topic, then you go somewhere else, generate the content, then maybe another tool to generate the images, and then finally you open your presentation software and start building the slides. So the entire workflow looks a little bit messy. First you do research, then content, then images, then slides, and then you use multiple tools, multiple tabs, multiple copy paste operations, and that's exactly what this AI tool is actually trying to solve. ZooClaw is basically an AI agent platform, and one of their most interesting agent is called PPT Master. And this AI agent, instead of asking you to bring content into a deck builder, basically brings the deck builder into your workflow. That means it can live directly inside Slack, Telegram, and it can turn conversations into presentations. And that's very different from traditional AI deck tools, because your work already happens inside chat. Your planning happens inside chat. Your meeting happens inside chat. Your brainstorming happens inside chat. So why leave the conversation and why you have to explain your entire context again to an AI agent and then take things from there? Let's just test this feature that got my attention. Imagine a team has been discussing a product launch and everyone is sharing ideas, concerns, timelines, launch strategy inside a Slack thread. So normally someone has to take all of that information, then open PowerPoint and then spend hours turning it into a presentation. But now using this AI agent, I can simply just mention the PPT Master agent to turn this conversation into an investor deck. And that's it. A few seconds later, the deck is generated, the entire conversation becomes a presentation. And honestly, this is probably the coolest feature because the information never leaves the conversation. Now, if you just want to use this AI agent inside your browser, so you can simply just click on the link in description and then come to this URL. And after that, you can then start using it in here. You can just sign up and then you can make sure that you choose this PPTX Master. Simply just click on this and then you'll open this URL. You'll find a lot of amazing presentations that were created here. So you can easily remix all of these presentations, or you can simply just copy any of these prompts from here. You can enter your topic and this AI agent will recreate this presentation, but for your topic only. Once you're signed up, this is the interface that you see. And here you can find this assistant and this PPTX Master. So if you just click on this PPT Master, you can simply just click on this new chat. And here, all you have to do, simply just provide your information. So you can just give it this simple prompt, which is help me build a presentation. I will tell you the topic, the audience, and how long it needs to be. So now let's just give it a topic, which is SpaceX IPO. Audience is tech related tech entrepreneurs. That's it. So just give your topic, give your audience. Now this AI agent, what it will do, it will proceed and then it will do its research. It will find everything related to this topic and then it will do its deep research. It will collect the data about your topic and then it will build the presentation, high quality presentation based on your topic. This is not going to be generic knowledge. The data is going to be based on the actual information from internet. You can see right now agent is actually collecting information from me. First it asked me the topic and audience, then it asked me how many slides, and now it is asking me what should tech entrepreneurs walk away believing or doing after this deck. So I just gave it this direction. Now it has one last question which is related to images. So yes, it will search for real photos and SpaceX launches and Falcon 9 and other SpaceX IPO related images. And right now you can see it is using this tool to gather all of the information, to collect all of the images and maybe generate the images as well if required, and then build the complete presentation as well. And there you go, in just few minutes the pitch deck is ready. And the most importantly, all of the data which is shared in here, I'm actually more interested into data. So you can see it fetched the real data from internet and then it prepared the complete presentation in here. You can click on this present mode and you can present it like a proper presentation, or you can simply just copy this URL from here and you can even download this presentation as well. If you just copy this URL, paste it in here, so you can just present it in here. You don't need a third-party software to present it, but if you want to download it in PPT format, you can totally do that, and you can then open it inside PowerPoint for any further customizations or to use any specific templates. Now, what exactly makes ZooClaw different? So after testing it, there are three things that actually stood out. Number one is research. So most of the AI presentation makers actually expect you to bring the research, but ZooClaw actually performs the research itself because it is a proper AI agent. It has all of the research related tools. It can scrape the entire internet. It can scrape any of the websites. So you don't have to do that part manually. So instead of the traditional workflow, which is research, then copy, then paste, then generate, you simply describe what you want and system researches the topic and then generates a presentation. And that's a huge time saver. Number two is brand consistency. Anyone who creates presentations for clients knows this pain because slide 1 looks great, but slide 5 looks okay and slide 12 looks completely different. But ZooClaw allows you to provide the branding guidelines, colors, fonts, logos, visual styles, and it keeps everything consistent across the deck. Number three is image generation. Normally you need ChatGPT, then maybe Nano Banana Pro, then maybe Flux or Ideogram or another image generation tool, and then import everything manually. But ZooClaw generates the images directly into the workflow. The images match the topic, the style remains consistent, and the presentation feels much more cohesive. So after using several AI presentation tools, I think the biggest difference is not slide quality. It's actually the workflow, because Gamma creates good presentations and Canva also creates good presentations. Manus can generate presentations as well, but ZooClaw focuses on the entire process: research, content, images, branding, slides, all inside one single workflow. And when you add Slack and Telegram integration, it becomes even more interesting because now the deck can be generated directly where the work happens. Another thing worth mentioning is ZooClaw is not about presentations only. In fact, PPT Master is only one part of ZooClaw. The platform is actually much more bigger. They are building different AI agents for different workflows. There is this AI agent which is called Vibe Drama. I have created a dedicated video about this. I will leave a link to that video in description. So using Vibe Drama, you can create like short stories, but very cinematic and very attractive and very engaging short stories. You can find that video if you're interested in this topic. Similarly, there are plenty of different use cases that you can use ZooClaw for. So their vision is not just to make presentations. Their vision is to build specialized AI agents that help you to complete real work. And presentations just happen to be one of those use cases. Now, here are my final thoughts. My biggest takeaway is simple. Most AI presentation tools help you make slides, but ZooClaw actually helps you create presentations. They sound similar, but they're actually very different. Most of the other tools just focus on the output, but ZooClaw actually focuses on the entire workflow. And for the teams already working inside Slack or Telegram, the ability to convert conversations directly into text is genuinely useful. So if you want to try ZooClaw by yourself, simply just click on the link in description. You can start with one of their templates. You can describe your topic, or you can simply just click on the remix button and generate a complete deck. Also, the first 20 users who use my code will receive 2000 free credits. So do let me know in the comment section what you think about ZooClaw. And if you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.